Mathews here for the Macy's confetti carpet at the 89th annual Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade in Manhattan. They let me be here. This is my first time. They said, Ross, you can go behind the scenes, get away with anything. These are the floats over here. The big balloons are over here. Look at this guy. This is the place you want to be. Be here or be... Well, he was supposed to say square. Be here, be square. Anyway, let's see what I can get away with. High five. Yay! High five, high five, high five, high five. It's probably a bad idea to go up here, don't you think? Happy Thanksgiving! This is my first Macy's Thanksgiving Day Parade. What do I need to know? Bundle up. Yes. Bundle up. What else?
Have fun.
Have fun. I think I can do that. Let me see your natural
this
way.
is like the Princess Diana one, right? I feel like that's not the move.
You want to do a bigger, like,
Full
yes.
on. You can get a little bit of almost like a nay-nay wave.
What's the difference between a Luke Skywalker and a CP394? I don't know.
Well, Luke Skywalker is a real character, and the other one, I have no clue what that is.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I just put him here to butter you up a little bit.
Certainly.
So listen, there are so many Christmas songs, right?
Yes,
we could go on all day mentioning them.
Yeah.
Name one Thanksgiving song.
Thanksgiving song. Oh, wow.
Exactly. There are no Thanksgiving. That's not okay.
We should make a collaboration on this.
It's all about turkey, mashed potatoes.
We like turkey and gravy.
Turkey, Thanksgiving, some friends and stuff, and Ross.
Happy Thanksgiving, everybody. I'm gonna eat a turkey and macaroni.
Raising turkey.
Hey everybody, Chris DAUGHTRY here. Happy holidays!
Hey there, this is Jennifer Nettles. Happy holidays!
Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm Jake Owen, and I want to wish you a very, very happy holidays.
Hi guys, this is Rachel Platten. Happy holidays!
Hey y'all, it's Mipso. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Hi everyone, wishing you happy holidays and happy Thanksgiving, sending you all my love.
Hi, I'm Shawn Mendes. Happy holidays.
Hi, happy holidays everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. Enjoy Christmas. Mwah!
This is QUESTLOVE of the Roots Tonight Show with Jimmy Fallon, and happy holidays to you and yours. Be safe.
Elmo's favorite thing about Thanksgiving is being thankful for his friends that year.
I'm thankful for you.
Hug.
Can I? Oh, a hug.